Okay, this is another elevator at Studencheskaya metro station in Moscow. There's the view to the train tracks. These are the not metro tracks. Anyway, let's ride it. It's a thyssenkrupp Energy Blue. 1. Oh, this is Evolution Blue. The other one's the Synergy Blue. 2. Capacity 630 kilograms, 8 persons. Installed 2018, brand new. I don't know why it's not fully talking. I was hoping for it. And this one, yeah, different brake sounds. This Energy Blue has a regular Synergy-like brakes. Back up to look at this. The panel's quite loose. It's weird having a Synergy Blue and an Evolution Blue on the same station. Anyway, back up to 2 and end. Cab view. Nice elevator. Fixtures. Schaefer RT 42. Not a good choice for a metro station. Schaefer VB 42 would have been better. There it goes, and that's it.